Okay, so now we'll go through a little demonstration of some of the functions of this system. To start off, we'll take a look right here. You can see we have 3 LED lights. These represent the living room, dining room, and kitchen lights. There's 2 more lights over here that represent the heating system, or heating and AC. And then 2 more lights over here that represent the front door. To start off, whenever you want to give a command, you have to initiate contact by calling it by its name, and then once it beeps at you and tells you that it's ready for input, you give it the command that you want. Tell it what to do. So we'll start off with turning on the living room light. So Jasper, turn on the living room light.
Changing the lights in living to off.
Didn't quite get what I told it, so we'll try it again. Jasper, turn on the living room light.
Changing the lights in living to on.
You see the light turn on. Jasper, turn off the kitchen light.
Changing the lights in kitchen to off. New email from Jared Romano.
And as you hear there too, it tells me whenever I receive an email. Next we'll look at the heating system. We'll see how warm it is in here. Jasper. 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 What is the current temperature?
The current temperature is 75 degrees.
It's a little warm, so we'll turn down the heat. Jasper. Jasper. Set the thermostat to 55 degrees.
Setting the thermostat to 55 degrees.
So now we'll see within 30 seconds here the heat will turn off. There it goes. Set it to a 30-second just to make sure that it's not constantly updating from the thermostat and taking up the CPU time. Next we'll look at the door. So over here we have the Arduino, which is set up to be our door controller. Right here is the doorbell, so once I press this, Jasper will start notifying me that there's someone at the door.
There is a visitor at the door.
And you hear it tell me there's a visitor at the door.
The door is closed and locked.
And every time the status changes, it tells you that the door is closed and locked. Here's our key card. Once we swipe this over the RFID reader, it'll open and unlock the door for us, and the light will turn green.
The door is unlocked. Welcome home.
And Jasper greets us.
The door is closed and locked.
And then it relocks the door and tells us that the door is locked. And then here's a little wire that represents a switch on the door to say whether it's open or not.
The door is open.
And then once we put that back, it tells us the door is closed.
And locked.
So that's just a basic overview of what Jasper can do. There's some other functions that I built into it, all along with some stuff that came prepackaged with it. But this should give you a basic idea of what it can do.